Hey beauties! To create this voluminous low bun, we want to select our front sections like I'm showing. Then we want to select a small, tiny section from the top, divide it into two and crisscross them. Then bring more hair to the front section as you braid it, creating a row braid. So basically you add hair to the front section and twist until you have no more hair to add from the front section like that. Then you want to twist around each other these two sections, continuing this row braid. Now we'll clip away this braid for later and repeat the same braid on the other side as well. So basically you select a small tiny piece from the top, divide it and crisscross them away from your face. Then you want to add hair to the front section and twist. Add more hair to the front section and twist until reaching your ear level. Then you want to continue braiding until here. Now you want to bring these two braids in the back and tie it using a clear elastic. Now grabbing the rest of your hair and these braids as well, you want to tie it, creating a very low ponytail. I'll use a clear elastic, but you can use a regular one instead. Now you want to make this construction. Basically you bring through your clear elastic two bobby pins like I'm showing. I usually like to double my clear elastics. Bring your ponytail up, creating this loop, and then you want to bring your construction over it. So basically you pin it underneath one bobby pin and you bring it to opposite side like so, fixing in place this loop. Now you want to grab the ends, brush it well and tuck it into the elastics of this construction, the ends like so, covering it using this loop. Now you want to spread these loops, pin it from the sides like I'm showing. You can use some hairspray to fix it in place and you're done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's voluminous bun. If you do, don't forget about like, try it please and let me know what you think about it. That's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!